So we are going to start with inspiration. Inspiration is very important because you need to have a general idea of what you would like to make. Of course, you can throw random objects onto an artboard, but it's always best to have a certain style that you would like to focus on. In this case, I already know what I would like to do, but one of the places where I get my inspiration from, for example, is, let's start with Instagram. Instagram is a great place. In this case, I search for #pattern. There are lots of great things to be found, but unfortunately at times there are some not so great things. So really take a look at it. Maybe you'll find something you like, maybe not, it's possible. Another website that I really enjoy looking at is Pinterest. Pinterest is great because you can look for different words. For example, if I will look for pattern design, you can find many different images, different colors, different styles, and everything is very creative and you can find great stuff over here. If you find something that you like, for example like this one, you can save it onto your own artboard, as I did over here. And this is called Pattern Inspiration, and here I collect all the different images that I really like and that I really enjoy. All the images are very colorful, very tropical. There are so many things to be found and to be seen. For example, things that we could use today could be, for example, a bird that I've got over here, or butterflies, pineapples, leaves, whatever. Another thing that I told you about was that you could also use your own photography. The only thing with using your own photography is that you have to make sure that the whole item that you would like to use is photographed completely and it's not cut in any other way. So these are my tips, and let's continue to the next part.